crew? Acquisitions Lou here, as always, back for another one where today we are offering a seller $2,000 for their property. If you like this content, as always, don't forget to comment, subscribe, and let us know what you like and don't like. Yeah, man, $2,000 on this property. It's a lower estimate property. It's worth about $190,000, but it's also a teardown, and the land is not worth that much on this property. So, yeah. So let's get into it. You may hear me get cursed out today. I don't know what's gonna happen. Stay tuned. If we get an accepted offer, you may hear an accepted offer today. I don't know what to expect, but let's make this call. I'm getting a little nervous, guys. I'm getting a little nervous. Let me pull up the feedback here. So we got a lot of water damage, extensive smoke damage. Ultimately, entire thing needs to be renovated. This is not in our typical buy box, and I'm just gonna say $2,000. But hey, we're gonna cover closing costs. We're gonna cover escrow fees. So hey, you know, it's a positive, right? That's a positive. Let's see if he picks up. I don't know what's about to happen, guys. If you wanna.
Hello? Yeah.
Hey, this is Lewis giving you a quick call back regarding the property. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good. So wanted to get back to you really quickly now that we got back the feedback on the property. So there's extensive water damage and smoke damage on the property. Our GC was basically saying that this is gonna have to be like it's most likely gonna be a tear down for it to be worth the project. Have you heard that from anyone else?
I did hear that from one of the person.
Okay. Because I don't know if this will catch you off guard too much in regards to where we're at, but with the property being of a little lower value than what we usually purchase properties worth like over $350,000 after it's all fixed up. So this one is a little bit lower than what we usually do, but considering the fact that we also have to start from scratch with the property and tear it down, finance only approved the offer for us to be comfortable at $2,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So $2,000. Like, the good thing is we cover closing costs and escrow fees, and if it's something you're just looking to move forward from and not pay property tax on anymore. But other than that, that's where we'd have to be on this one.
Okay. Yeah, I got another offer for 55. I might just go with that.
55,000.
Yeah.
Okay, I would highly suggest you take that offer for sure if it's still valid. Just double check the company and make sure they're legit. But ask them how quickly they're gonna close and ask them if they've done fire damage properties before. But if they sound good, that may be the best offer for you.
Right.
All right. So
okay,
thank you so much for the time. All right, keep us posted. All right, bye.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, so offer made. Didn't get cursed out, and maybe he was understanding. That offer for $55,000, I'm gonna be honest, guys, I don't think that's real, because we're looking at a tear down property. If the property is worth $200,000, what are they at? 55? I don't need the calculator. They're at like 20. Was that a fourth? Yeah, they're at like 21%. I can do the math. 20. Let me say 21%. 55,000. They're like 55% of 21%. Oh, 27%. All right, considering I didn't go to school for math, that's not bad. But you gotta be careful, guys, with these type of offers, with these type of properties, because ultimately you want to deliver. Is that company at 55 gonna deliver? We don't know, but we'll wait and see. But we're gonna make sure to give a smooth experience and a smooth process. So we're not gonna try to beat that offer, all right? So nonetheless, hopefully you enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what you want to see. We have videos up of me snatching up offers, of me trying to renegotiate offers, of me giving these offers that are not lowball. Some people call them lowball, but it's just what it is because the damage is so bad. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this content. I'll see you soon. Peace.